Hello, hi guys. Very nice morning here today. I am again before you to remove your misconception about avoiding the grammar of English language, which is very necessary. We should not minus this thing as a language cannot be erected in proper way if it has not been woven properly. Just like a building, we need concrete, iron, cement, bricks, sands, etc. And the bone structure is also required for human being in the same way. The grammatical rules act just like a skeleton of the language. So we should always remember that we have to follow all the rules of grammar, whether we talk of parts of speech or translative use or verbs, auxiliaries, narration, synthesis, transformation, vocabularies. All these things have a great value. We should always remember this thing. The language has a charm only when we speak it, when we communicate it with its natural form. We have to ignore this thing from our mind, what others are saying about removing or misleading ourselves from the grammatical part of view. We should always keep it in our mind how to fit the word. It happens only when we mind grammar as a necessary step for communication, for better interaction and a good communication. We need to follow these rules. My dear students, we should always remember this thing, that we have not to avoid the basic thing of English language. If we want to say it has been raining since morning, so it needs the time, it needs a continuance with the time. Then we are following his here present perfect tense, present perfect continuous form. As I said the sentence, it has been raining since morning. We cannot say it is raining since morning. It is a wrong conception. If we are saying a sentence in present tense, it must be in the present form. If we say I read a book, we cannot say I wrote a letter. I have to say I write a letter. Otherwise, there will be a great chaos in our expression. We want to say something in present that would be in past, and our listener will not be able grasp what we want to say. That's why I would suggest all of you, never discourage your mind avoiding the grammatical forms and grammatical rules and regulations of the language of English, which is very necessary. Now let me part from you from this clip. I'll talk you later on next day. Okay, bye bye.